figured out how to come I couldn't get under it properly.
Nothing's perfect.
I'm getting performance anxiety. If someone's filming me.
See that? Straight out.
Look.
Push it a bit tight there.
I'll send it like every other truck driver. I reckon we're going to track him out with Oxy. Oh, no.
So that whole sleeve's got to come out.
Yeah.
It's welded in there.
There's 12 of them in there. Oh, if you won't get them out from one end, yeah, you've got to go.
No good? Gonna have to cut it out.
Yep. Can't be stuck if it's liquid.
Fair enough. You're gonna suck it out with a straw.
Like that.
You're not going to say that?
Yeah. How much for that?
You're the rural snap on
That's taller than that.
You're a rural snap on that.
There's a big snap-on crowbar.
Right by, yeah.
What's the rule of snap on truck? Don't ask price.
Never asked for us.
Just add to cart. Add to cart. Add to account. I've got one of them. They're all smashed on the end bar.
Right out. Right out.
So Sam, what can we tell? What can you give any useful information of what's going on, mate?
We've got some tight bearings. It won't come out.
I'm gonna oxy them out.
Your ring can Knock him out.
What's that?
You going through now?
Oh,
what he's doing?
just out here.
Did you get that?
I like watching you drink beers more.
Sales meeting. Management meeting.
Back him off the beer. Yeah. Good angle there, Sam. So you just cut them in half and you'll fry them out.
It should shrink a bit, and then we can knock them out with that hammer, that air hammer.
Shouldn't you be doing it with more of an angle? Yeah. Too much heat.
Here I was thinking it was welded in. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Should have a beer for that.
Oh, the beer.
There's still one in that side, one here.
Sorry, mate.
Still one on each side.
Yeah, I'll just take another nick out of them.
They'll cool me down so expand in a bit again.
No, I'll just cut them out a bit. Make the cut a bit thicker so they close up.
Is it his cat? Is it his? Is it his cat? Is it his cat? What? What'd you do? Is it his cat?
I stole it from Bo from GBV. Bo Wizzle.
Well, you took the cat.
Yeah. Farm.
You wrangled it.
It's only a kitten. Good cat. See you there. So the top ones don't have that sleeve around the outside.
The seal.
Collar? No. This is the complete ripper box off this D7. Getting a bit of a refurb. Dog. Yep. Did you heat up the bottom ones again as well? So it takes a fair bit more to penetrate the steel of the ripper box than it does those collars.
Sorry, mate.
Does it take a fair bit more to penetrate the steel of the box, obviously, than the collars?
Yeah, well, you can see this material melting away.
Okay, yeah.
See, because it's getting heated first, you can
Yeah.
see when you cut through it before you cut through the...
Lot lighter gauge than the
Well, it's normally a different material as well. It'll be bronze or some sort of different steel it is.
yeah.
So yeah, it'll melt at a different temperature. And sometimes you don't, and sometimes you fuck up and cut through it.
No fuck ups here, mate. Just it's progress. No fuck ups, just progress. Misses a call. Sound like it's going a little bit.
going to admit it.
What you will.
Why don't you get cranky? Or you'd rather put it on there and then put the silver on.
That's what I was gonna do. Once it's on there.
Yeah, put it
Instead of having it fall apart everywhere. Because the way we've got it strung up now, we can just put it straight on. Once the new bearings are in. It's laid on the ground. And pull these.
What are the seal kits there? Seal kit? Every silver.
Every silver month.
These two, light silk, powder silver,
Nothing to handle.
light silk.
Oh, no. Inside.
And then can you do that to what?
Good lights in here.
Yeah, good lights. Good hydration.
Pretty much. No, I sent him something to say, but I couldn't really think that well. You said you trusted source. You put me on the spot. But you will be in the next West Track podcast. Mention of the cat.
Big plug it up.
Where? His place?
Yeah.
Fuck. You wouldn't make it home from there.
You want to plug it up?
Straight out.
Should have just done that in the first place.
They're all out.
I can do it.
So that's how we get the bushings out. 2 more to go.